In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a soft edge effect to an image in Google Slides. Adding a soft edge can give your image a distinctive and polished look, perfect for presentations. Let's dive into this task and explore every detail to ensure you get it right. First, you'll want to open Google Slides. You can do this by navigating to the Google Slides homepage. If you aren't logged in, take a moment to sign into your Google account. This is crucial because without signing in, you won't be able to create or edit presentations. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage, where you have two options. You can either start a blank presentation or select a theme based on what suits the visual style of your presentation. With your slide open, the next step is to add an image to your slide. Simply select an image that you want to apply the soft edge effect to. If you're satisfied with your selection, go ahead and click on it so it becomes highlighted. Clicking on the image is important as it informs Google Slides that this is the object we will be working with. Next, we need to navigate to the mask image option. You'll find this by looking at the toolbar at the top of your screen. It's usually represented by a small drop-down next to the cropping tool. Clicking on this will reveal different options. From the drop-down list, you'll see an option labeled Shapes. By selecting this, you'll open another menu with various shape options. For the purpose of creating a soft edge effect, you should choose the rounded rectangle shape. This shape is perfect because the rounded edges will give the appearance of soft edges to your image. Simply click on it and you'll notice the effect is instantly applied to your selected image, thereby rounding out the edges beautifully. Once that is done, take a moment to analyze the visual impact on your slide. You might want to adjust the position or size of your image to better fit with the rest of your slide's content. This flexibility allows you to maintain the professional and cohesive look of your presentation. And that's it, you've successfully added a soft edge effect to your image in Google Slides, giving it a smooth and polished appearance. This effect not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your presentation, but also helps draw viewers' attention to key information. Keep practicing and experimenting with different images to see how the soft edge effect can transform your presentations. Thank you for joining me, and happy presenting!